Training soldiers to learn their jobs quickly and complete daily tasks safely is critical to achieving high levels of mission readiness and lethality for the United States Army. It requires thousands of manuals, diagrams, and checklists. Paper instructions and videos are costly to print and update, and they're limited to the perspective of the image or camera angle. BILT Incorporated provides cloud-hosted 3D interactive mobile intelligent instructions to improve maintenance, safety, and efficiency. BILT helps soldiers learn new tasks quickly and reduces cost and error by eliminating cumbersome paper manuals and lengthy instructional videos. Whether they be 91 Papa artillery mechanics, 88 Mike motor transport operators, or 11 Bravo infantrymen conducting PMCS preventative maintenance checks, BILT enables today's soldiers where they're most comfortable and competent, on a mobile device, where they have the capability to tap the touchscreen for details about a part or component, pinch to zoom in and out, and drag to rotate the 3D images 360 degrees. BILT gathers data analytics on soldier performance. Insights from these metrics allow BILT instruction designers to continuously improve the instructions in near real time. BILT provides a portal for Army program managers and frontline leaders to evaluate training progress and competency with quantifiable data and feedback from soldiers. BILT is available worldwide, both on and off the grid. Hundreds of 3D interactive instructions can be downloaded to a single mobile device and accessed without Wi-Fi, saving space, weight, and fuel. BILT not only addresses the Defense Department's digitization efforts, but also its green initiative to reduce carbon emissions and support sustainability efforts through the reduction of paper manuals. By adopting this award-winning commercial solution, the United States Army will provide soldiers a cutting-edge tool to help them accomplish their mission as the forest resets and engages in great power competition. Download BILT today and experience the revolutionary innovation of 3D interactive intelligent mobile instructions for yourself.